Rei means the consciousness, and Ki is the energy that permeates the intelligent energy. This is the important thing. Intelligent energy that permeates the whole creation. So, Mikao Usui realized for his own experience that in order to practice Reiki more powerfully, we need to contact the spirit through meditation. We are going to start with a meditation for something very simple. When Mikao Usui, he was given the knowledge of Reiki by the Spirit, straightforward, I can assure that. He went to the Mount Kurama to find enlightenment, and he went and meditated and fasted for 21 days. Why fasting? When we fast, not just a day, half a day, intermittent fasting, we fast for more than 3 days, you feel that your body doesn't depend anymore on physical food. I used to fast for 3-5 days or more, very often, like once a month when I was a kid. And after 3 days, you don't feel any need to eat. And you have a lot of energy, but you feel the energy. That's why Mikao Usui fasted for 21 days and meditated. On the day 21st, he started feeling this energy that's called Reiki. That is, Rei means the consciousness, and Ki is the energy that permeates the intelligent energy. This is the important thing. Intelligent energy that permeates the whole creation. So, Mikao Usui realized for his own experience that in order to practice Reiki more powerfully, we need to contact the spirit through meditation. And the foundation, and we are going to see that today, the principles of Reiki, meditation is the foundation, the very foundation. Now, Paramahansa Yogananda came in 1920 to teach meditation. And Mikao Usui discovered Reiki in 1920. This is not a coincidence. Why? Because we have this pandemic in 100 years later. This is not coincidence. There were other yogis from India who came to teach meditation, like Swami Vivekananda. He was a great yogi. But the spread of meditation was done by Paramahansa Yogananda in 1920. And I followed the two paths. I've been meditating since I was 18. So here in America, people are experts on changing, but watering down and give another meaning to anything. People talk about yoga and they refer only to the exercises. But yoga have several branches. That's the Hatha Yoga, the exercises. There is the Jnana Yoga, which is pure wisdom. There is the Karma Yoga. Yoga means union with the spirit, union with God. Karma Yoga means through service to people. It could be working in an elderly home, whatever. It could be just what you do, because I have another friend that she said that she's a massage therapist, Sandra, and Ellen too. And I remember when you told me that the first time, you enjoy doing that. My friend, who's also a massage therapist, and she's an energy healer. She does the two things. And she told me that she enjoys it. I couldn't get it. You see, this is like a purifying your work. This is a kind of karma yoga. And the highest form of yoga is the Raja Yoga, which is meditation, which is pranayamas. So here in America, and then of course extends to the rest of the world, they call meditation for anything that you close your eyes and you do something. That's not meditation. I remember I was 20-something, I went to look in the dictionary what meditation is, and says to apply all your focus, all your attention to know God. In the dictionary, that was, I don't know, a little less than 40 years ago. I have a dictionary in my nightstand, and I would like to do that, to take a look. What does it say? Because it's an old dictionary. Probably in the new, they don't say that anymore. So that's what Paramahansa Yogananda and the great yogis, people who meditate deeply, say. Meditation is the conscious act to connect with God. Now comes the other thing. What is God? So God is not a person, but manifest is the pure spirit. What Paramahansa Yogananda makes a little difference. There is the spirit, the unmanifested spirit. We cannot describe that. Either we feel it by God realization, or there is no way we can understand that. But the manifestation, the first manifestation of the spirit is what we call God. But the manifestation of the spirits is in consciousness. What is our consciousness? When we have no thoughts, we have no awareness of our body, but we know that we exist. We know that we exist, but there is no thoughts, no feeling, no pain or preoccupations of pain. So, whatever you do, and you call meditation, is good, but probably it's a visualization, it's some kind of exercise. And why meditation is, the definition that I say, is the conscious act to knowing God. Well, God is a spirit. And how we human beings connect with the spirit? The first perception is through our chakras. Our chakras are energy centers in our energy body. And the way to do that is through pranayamas. Pranayamas is our visualizations combined with breathing and moving the energy up and down the chakras. When we do that, incredible things happen. And Reiki teaches that. That's real meditation. Anything else has its value, but if we want to go deep, we need to practice this. Even a little bit. Krishna says, a little practice of this religion, which is meditation, will save you from a lot of trouble. And it's true, because we are guided with this contact with the divinity. So, we are going to practice the meditations. To practice pranayamas, the first thing is we need to sit straight, the spine straight. And we cannot do meditation sitting. If you have a problem you are not used, it's okay. But I tell you why. It's very simple. If we lay on our back, in the point that the chair is touching our spine, the energy is a blockage to the energy from going up and down the spine. It's as simple as that. This is why you will see me always, I don't do that because I feel sluggish, but if I am sitting up straight, I feel the energy moving. And I like that. It's as simple as that, because it's beneficial for me. So you can choose any position. Do you want a pillow?
I want the pillow.
This is a reason of sitting straight, as simple as that. When I start meditating, I could sit on the lotus posture, but I cannot do it anymore. Everything hurts. And I cannot sit there like more than half an hour. But I do it when I do distance healing, I sit on the floor. Or if I go to the beach or whatever. But I prefer to sit. Fantastic. Let me, just for fun, because this is an old dictionary. Meditate. Meditation. Meditate. To reflect or on or muse over, contemplate, to engage in contemplation or reflection, meditation. The act or process of meditating, serious contemplation or reflection. You see, they took the word God because nowadays it's not convenient. It's from 78. Okay. Anyway, but talks about contemplation. Contemplation is related to the spirit. You're not contemplating on our work or our money or our health.